Wi-Fi is the most important thing in today's world. Today we will see all about Wi-Fi network on Mac. First, start with joining Wi-Fi network. You can join Wi-Fi network by clicking Wi-Fi icon on right side top of menu bar. Select your Wi-Fi from the list. Type password and click join. It will prompt if you typed wrong, or you can check show password while joining to verify the password. Also, you can join Wi-Fi from the control center. To join hidden network, click on other network, type name and password, then join. Sometimes for troubleshooting purpose we need to remove Wi-Fi network. To do this, need to go network preferences from here or from system preferences. Select Wi-Fi Advanced. In Wi-Fi tab, select Wi-Fi network, then click on minus to remove. If you have multiple joined Wi-Fi network, from here you can set order to your Wi-Fi network. Then click OK and apply. By uncheck this, Wi-Fi icon will go from menu bar. That's all. If this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and also tap on bell button to get updates immediately. Thank you.